Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on Global Mapper Pro. Today I'm taking you step by step on how to set up your layer system. So here we are already added our your process. So now I'm going to choose layer if I need portrait or landscape. So I'll tick on setup. No, so I will untick the scale and then tick on bones. We'll untick the scale first, then tick on bones in order to align with the coordinate systems. So having done that, I'll click on OK. So here we are. So the next thing for us to do is you can right click or you can go to the format and choose the property, or you right click on the body of the flame. You can choose your scar. So you can also come to here and choose, or you right click on the flame, or you get to the main menu and carry out your analysis. If you want the number to become in 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, then you can now insert the numbers that you desire. So let's choose our knot. Choose the knot arrow of your choice. You can drag everything and move it to the right side, left hand side of your map. Let's take away the old one. You can insert your text, your map title. You can choose a color by selecting on color. Let's go for this. So I need to take out the previous one. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Okay, let's add our grid line. You close the legend a little bit. Let's close by the bracket and OK. Let's choose our grid line, then choose latitude and longitude. So let's align our coordinate system to be horizontal and vertical. So here you choose the parallel to flame. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.